Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today's recipe is for a very special occasion because I reached 1,000 subscribers! When I started YouTube around 5 months ago, I never would have imagined all of the love and support I was going to be getting from other YouTubers all over the world. You guys just make my heart melt reading your lovely comments, and you guys have made this journey so special for me. I want to thank you. And I also want to thank God because He gave me the courage and the strength to even start my channel in the first place. I have so many great recipes, a ton of them, to get all of you guys into that kitchen to whip up something quick and easy. Like this one right here. Let's get started.
So as you can see, we're gonna be making a baked Alaska today. To make this cake, it's so simple. I have here a few different ice cream flavors. I'm gonna be scooping them into this bowl, which has been lined with some plastic wrap. Go ahead and use whichever flavors you like, and be sure to press down the ice cream against the bowl to make sure that there's no air pockets for when you slice into this afterwards. Once you're done filling it with all of that ice cream, this is going to get topped off with some cake. I'm using a store-bought butter pound cake. This one can be found in the frozen section of your grocery store. I'm simply just slicing the loaf into rather thick slices and firmly pressing it along the top. Wrap this up tightly with plastic and place it into the freezer for at least 2 hours, if not overnight, so that it will completely firm up. Now I'm going to show you how to make that delicious simple meringue frosting. This is 1 cup of sugar and 8 egg whites, which you're going to get whipped together with a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. I'm going to beat this on high for about 2 minutes until the frosting is thick and white. Remove the ice cream cake and the wrapping, and add all of that delicious meringue frosting. Be sure to seal everything in along the bottom so that the ice cream won't leak out if it does melt a little. Give this cake whatever design you like, even use a pastry bag if you really want to get fancy. Also, don't forget that all these recipes are always listed down below in the description box. And now for the fun part, I'm going to be using this blowtorch to toast the edges, which smells and tastes exactly like toasted marshmallows. You could also pop this into your oven on broil for a few minutes if you don't have this blowtorch. And now if you really want to go over the edge and light this baked Alaska on fire, I have here about 1 cup of alcohol. This is vodka. Use whatever 40% volume alcohol you have on hand. And I'm going to be slightly warming this up in my pan. Next, I'm going to be carefully lighting this with my flame, and it's going to get directly poured onto that baked Alaska. The fire burns out rather quickly after a few seconds, but be extremely careful when doing this. Make sure your plate has enough room to catch all of that alcohol, and be sure not to do this on top of a tablecloth. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. Again, I want to thank all of my supporters for all of your love, and I have so many incredible recipes uploaded every other day, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you won't miss out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.